Hey everyone, welcome back to Sneha Infinities. Today we are making scrumptious almond flour cookies that are perfect for a sweet treat. This gluten-free recipe is perfect for beginners and it's a quick and easy treat to make. Note that I'm making a double batch today, but don't worry, I'll be mentioning the ingredient quantities for a single batch. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the ingredients we'll need. Butter, sugar, almond flour, chocolate chips, baking soda, 1 egg, salt and vanilla paste. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. While that's heating up, let's prepare a batter. In a large bowl, combine 1/3 cup of softened butter and 3/4 cup of sugar. Mix until they're fully incorporated. Meanwhile, let's talk about the star of the show, almond flour. Almond flour is a fantastic alternative to traditional wheat flour, especially for those with gluten intolerance or sensitivity. It's also high in protein, fiber, and healthy fats, making it a nutritious choice. Plus, it adds a delicate nutty flavor to our cookies that's simply irresistible. Next, add 1 egg at room temperature. Using room temperature eggs ensures that the eggs mix smoothly with other ingredients, resulting in a better texture and consistency in our cookies. Make sure it's smooth and creamy texture. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix well to combine. Now it's time to add our dry ingredients. In goes 2 cups of almond flour, half teaspoon of baking soda and half teaspoon of salt. Mix until everything is well combined. Here comes the best part, adding 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. Save some for later to add on top of the cookie balls. Scoop your cookie dough using 1 tablespoon onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Leave some space between each cookie as they'll spread a bit. Add some chocolate chips on top. Bake for 12 minutes or until they're lightly golden brown. Let the cookies cool down and that's it. Your delicious almond flour cookies are ready to be enjoyed. You can store the cookies at room temperature for up to 5 days. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content.